Hey guys, welcome back to Javon Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Fallout 4 for the PC. Today I'm running this on my Intel Core. Oh my gosh, what the heck? i3-7100U with the Intel HD 620 integrated graphics. We're running with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and dual channel memory. And I am running right now on a custom config once again. I'll leave a link in the description for it. And we're running at 960 by 540 on the lowest preset. But you've checked out the Intel HD 4600 video and seen that I've tested it there as well. Same config. Runs the game. Except that I carried up the res. Runs the game quite well. Smooth sailing. Fallout 4, guys. We're using about 8GB of RAM right now, which is quite demanding to be honest with you. But the more RAM, the better. Obviously, it'll run smoother. I would frame cap this to 30 on an Intel 8. This because of the i3. The i3 is a bottleneck, obviously, because it always is. It only has 2.4 GHz, so as you can see, that's why my GPU isn't being fully utilized, which is why I'm getting so much stutter. So if you want to avoid that, basically, I'd say cap it to 30 if you have a lower end CPU that can't handle the game. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. You know me, I post the latest and greatest games on the channel as well as lower end stuff, showing you guys how to get them running on low end hardware. I hear gunfire. My draw distance is used. Oh wow. Get him! Hey! Don't. I should get over there. Oh wow, you killed him. Whoa. Thanks, doggo. Dog ain't playing. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go finish the job. Dog's already killed it. Oh, okay. I guess I won't finish the job then. Where did he come from? That doesn't seem like a me problem, to be honest with you, if I'm being honest. So yeah, with this, the Fallout 4 is definitely playable, but we already knew that because the 4600 ran decently as well. So obviously the 620 is gonna run. Once again, it's just the CPU issue, which is a bit slower on it. But yeah, once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. I'm just gonna mute myself now. Enjoy the rest of the gameplay, and I'll see you guys next time.
telling you, man. Let's just get the hell out of here.
I'm coming in there, and I'm gonna skin every last one of you! Oh.
Man, I don't know who you are, but god damn it.
Glad to help.
Well, if that's true, we could use some more goodwill. As you can see, we're in a bit of a mess here.
Maybe?
Please, go on.
A month ago, there were 20 of us. Yesterday, there were 8. Now we're 5. First, it was the ghouls in Lexington, and now this mess.
Sorry. Sounds really rough.
Thanks.
That ain't
It's good to meet someone who really cares. Anyway, we figured Concord would be a safe place to settle. Those raiders proved us wrong. But,
maybe?
well, we do have one idea.
Nope.
Better be a good one.
Sturgis, tell her.
There's a crashed vertibird up on the roof. Old school, pre-war. You might have seen it. Well, looks like one of its passengers left behind a seriously sweet goodie. We're talking a full suit of cherry T-45 power armor. Military issue.
I like it.
Yeah, I thought you might. Protection with an added bonus. Get the suit. You can rip the minigun right off the vertibird. Do that, and those raiders get an express ticket to hell. You dig?